Alright, you got all your boards sanded, the edges are sanded, you got them lined up how you want to do it. You got your union cut right here. And the next step is going to be burning the wood. Here are the cleats. You're going to burn the fronts and backs of these boards and the edges. It depends on the flag that you're going to, how you're going to finish it, whether you burn both sides or not. See, like on this flag right here, this is paint, not stain. So I painted this. So I didn't need to burn the front part of this boards. What I did was just burn the back of the boards. And then obviously I burnt all the cleats right here. But because I painted this here, I didn't need to burn the front. So on this one here though, we're going to burn the complete thing, the front, the edges, and the back, the whole board, even the cleats, because this flag is going to be stained, and I want that burn to come through the stain. So we'll get going here. I usually have these pans set up here so I don't burn my table all up. And what you do is just put a light burn on it. You just want the grain to come through a little bit. Just kind of go across it. Make sure that grain comes through. And once you get the front here burnt, flip it down to the edge. And the reason why I burn this edge is because when I glue my flags together, and if any of this edge is showing, if my flags are not completely level, flat, they're not smooth, they might have a little ridge in them. So I burn everything. And I'm not going to make you sit through this whole burning process here. We'll get these burnt and then I'll come back after we get these all burnt, and we'll go on to the next step. We're almost done with the burn here. I want to show you something too when you burn these. There's some marks that might show up on your boards. They'll sand right off. I don't know what they are. This one actually looks pretty good. Remember to burn the ends of your boards too. You don't want to have to do that when the flags are all put together. Alright, we're done with the burn, but I want to show you something here. On these boards, you couldn't see this before I burnt it, but you can see these marks right here. They're not very attractive. They're not with the grain of the wood. And some of them are on the backs too. This is pretty bad on the back right here. What you can do to fix that is just take your sander again. You can sand them marks out, and then all you got to do is reburn it. You shouldn't see the marks. lot nicer. I don't know what their marks were. And if it's on the back of your flag, I guess it doesn't really matter much. So, once you get everything burnt, we're ready for the next step. Got them all lined up right here. Here's the cleats. We're ready for the staining. What I do is I lay the flag out like this. I know this is going to be red, 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 and I just move all these out so I know which ones I'm going to be staining red. Other ones are going to be white, and obviously the union is going to be blue. So we'll start out staining these here. This one's going to be red all the way across. What I do is I got Scarlett Red. That's what I use, Scarlett Red. It's a clear tint base. I got Marshmallow White. That's Marshmallow White. Then I got this blue. Navy blue, I think it is. I'm not sure. It's a blue. All from the Lowe's store. You can buy this stain. So what I do is I use these inexpensive cheap foam brushes here. Works good for applying the stain. And I don't wipe off any of my stain. I just put it on and that's it. Sometimes you might have to go over it depending on how dark you want it. It goes on pretty good with these foam brushes. Nice and even. I just have to paint, stain the top of the board. I don't have to do the sides. And what I do too, on all my flags, the ends of the boards get stained the appropriate color. I think it looks a lot nicer when it's all finished. And there's one red one. We'll do one more. Well, I'll do a white one here. And I found with the white stain, you might have to put on it a little heavier. It seems to soak in a lot more. You might have to put on 2 coats. But I don't mind some of the wood showing, a lot of the wood showing through. If and when you get this all stained and you want to redo some of it, you can just reapply some stain. And then again too, do the edges white. That'll soak in quite a bit. You might have to do it again. But I don't wipe off any of my stain. And then I want to show you, that's a white one, and we'll go up here and I'm going to do a blue part of the union here. And this is where it's nice having that union cut, because I don't have to worry about the stain bleeding over. You just go right up to that cut. Makes a nice division. And then 2 on the edges of the blue. And that should be it. I'll get these stained up and we'll be right back. Alright, we're almost done putting the stain on. I'll let these sit overnight. They probably will be dried in an hour or two, but I like to let them sit overnight. And if you think you need to put more stain on after you take a look at it, you can always add some more stain. So we have all these laid out here, all stained. Once we get it clamped together and get the varnish on, it's going to really shine up nice. So let these dry.